Hello Fabian, I wanted to show you that in your main login panel on previous, there's a save config, so that's how you would save it. Now for boot options, let's see, if we go to SCSI disks, and what I've done here is I've mounted the 3.0 ISO, set it up as a CD-ROM, go back to the main menu, then you click Save Config, right? So you save the config, click OK, and then click OK to start the machine. Now what this will do is it'll start your login, and you've already installed NeXTstep 3.3. So from here, it'll go through, and let's see, it's going to take a minute here, so I'll kind of talk about this. This is previous 2.0. One of the things that's kind of neat about it is you can actually install up to 3 dimension boards. So I'm currently just using the turbo color for this demonstration, and I've set it to the V74 chip, which you can see it's 128 megs of RAM. Now it'll boot. Okay, it finds the boot partition. So this is the one that you chose for your hard drive. In this case, it's a 921 meg file. NeXTstep 3.0, you can see that the CD is mounted. And we've got V74, NeXTstep 3.3, 128 megs of RAM. Now, we didn't have to go through check disk, which is good. It's doing all the networking, so I have this set up to where you can actually surf the web, which is kind of nice. And then we should have a login panel here. And with the login panel, type in root and then password. And that'll log us in. And then we should be able to see, I'm going to ignore, let's see, we'll just do initialize. Okay, so why not? It found a floppy there. Okay. So now we'll see NeXTstep 3.0 mount up here. So you should be able to highlight that if I've done it correctly. And then under Next Developer, you'll see this is under 3.0, Demos. There's your Next TV app. Okay. So all you have to do is just take that, drag and drop it. In this case, I've created a local apps folder, or you can drop it into, just set it up here temporarily. If you want it in the same place that it is represented on the CD, so go up here to the main directory. In this case, I call my machine Gumby. I click here, okay. This gets us back to the main directory. Here's Next Developer. Here's Demos, okay. That's where it was located on the Next 3.0, okay. And so I'm going to go ahead and drop it in. I see it's already there, so it'll ask me to replace it. And why not? We'll go ahead and replace it with the fresh version, just to show you how it works. Now it's copying it over. Complete. And now we should be able to launch NextTV.app, right? And there it is, Next TV. And that's all you have to do.